Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about a centroid. When we have three medians in a non-degenerate triangle, they intersect at one point. Since it is a 3, we're going to say this point is called a point of concurrency. And this point of concurrency of three medians is called a centroid. What can centroid do? First, let's talk about the ratio. There's a ratio called a 2 to 1. Let's look at the yellow median, AD. 2 to 1 relationship says AP, the longer one, to the shorter one, PD. That's 2 to 1. Alright, so remember it's a longer one to shorter one. Let's look at the blue one. Longer one to shorter one is CP to PG. Let's look at the green one. Longer one to shorter one is 2 to 1, so it's TP to PO. Alright, now we have another ratio called a 2 to 3. So this time I'm going to compare the longer one with the median itself. Last time we did a longer to shorter one. Okay, this time is a longer one to median. Let's look at yellow. Longer one is AP. Whole median is AD. Let's look at blue. Longer one is CP. And the whole median is CG. Let's look at the green one. Longer one is TP. And the whole median is TO. So that's 2 to 3. Let's look at another one. I have another relationship says 1 to 3. I think by this time you can already figure out, since we talk about the longer to median is 2 to 3, then obviously the shorter one to the median gonna be 1 to 3. Alright, let's look at the yellow one. Shorter one is PD. And CG is the blue one, shorter one is PG. And then it's a green one, shorter one is PO. That's it. That's all the important ratio you should understand and then take notes. Okay, let's solve the problem. Our label here's a 1, 1, which means if CO given to us is 8 and OAAO is also 8 units. Let's look at next one. Ask us to find a PG. We're given CP is 10. What is PG? Remember our 2 to 1 relationship. Okay? So which means PG will be half of CP is half of 10. That is 5 units. Let's look at a CG. CG, remember our chapter 1. Teaches us a segment addition postulate. You can add the segment and we can add a CP and a PG become a CG. CP is 10 is given PG. We just find out that's 5. So together it is 15 units. Let's look at our OP. It is given to us CP. CP is 10. And CO is 8, and OT, that's whole length is 18. Ask us what is OP. Remember, OP is 1/3 of the whole length, 1/3 of OT, okay? So, times OT, and that's 1/3 times 18, and that is 6 units. And last one, PT. Okay, PT is a longer portion on this green median. Remember, PT is 2 times OP. Since we just found OP is 6 right here, and PT is 2 times OP, so it's 2 times 6. That is 12 units. All right, that's it. Happy learning.